Salitagar Dukokalas Monsod, born July 29, 1940, popularly known as Mareng Winnie, is a Filipino economist, broadcaster, columnist, radio host, and public intellectual. She had been the 5th Director General of the National Economic and Development Authority and concurrently Socio-Economic Planning Secretary of the Philippines from 1986 to 1989. Educated at the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania, she holds the rank of Professor Emerita at the University of the Philippines School of Economics. Monsod graduated with a Bachelor of Arts degree in economics, cum laude at the University of the Philippines, Diliman in 1959, and is a member of the Sigma Delta Phi sorority. She obtained a Master of Arts in Economics from the University of Pennsylvania in 1962. Monsod has been teaching in the Up School of Economics of the University of the Philippines, Diliman, since 1963. In 2005, she was nominated to be the president of the University of the Philippines System, an office tasked with the management of all UP campuses nationwide. In October 2010, a video of Monsod's last lecture in Economics 100.1 Introduction to Macroeconomics became a viral hit online. In her impromptu remarks, she said, "You're going to be as good and as honorable as you should be. You are going to stay in the Philippines, and if you leave the Philippines, you are at least going to try to pay back. And if you don't do any of the above, this is my last threat to you." Winnie Monsod was a member of the UN Committee for Development Planning UNCDP from 1987 to 2000 and the Board of Trustees of the International Food Policy Research Institute, IFPRI, in January 1996. She was also a member of the Board of Advisors of Human Development Report on 1993 and the Board of Advisors of South Center, which was established to follow up the recommendations of the South Commission. Organized in 1987 at the initiative of Prime Minister Mahathir Mohamad of Malaysia and chaired by Mwalimu Julius Nyerere of Tanzania from 1991 to 1995. The Commission issued a report in 1990 entitled The Challenge of the South, which has since been translated in 5 languages. Mrs. Monsod is going to haunt you. From the grave, I intend to go up there, and from up there I'm going to look down on you, and I am going to confront you at the worst possible moments in your life. Professor Monsod is best remembered for her role as the Minister of Economic Planning and later Secretary of Socio-Economic Planning and concurrent Director of the National Economic and Development Authority NEDA from 1986 to 1989 during the term of President Corazon Aquino. Monsod ran for the Senate of the Philippines under the administration party of President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, People Power Coalition in the 2001 national elections, but lost. Monsod debuted in Mareng, Winnie, a segment of Soxy, and she was also co-host in Debate with Mayor at Pair with former Pangasinan Governor and 1998 Vice Presidential candidate Oscar Orbos. Monsod co-hosted the now-defunct show Palaban with investigative journalist Malu Mangahas and former beauty queen Miriam Quiambao. She also hosted the weekly segment Analysis in the news program News on Q. Aired on Q, she wrote her weekly column Get Real in the Philippine Daily Inquirer PDI for 2 decades and was discontinued by the PDI management on July 1, 2022. Personal life, Monsod is married to Christian Monsod, a corporate executive and one-time chairman of the Philippine Commission on Elections. They had Ferdinand and Marcos as their godfather in their marriage. She was a former Protestant, but converted to Catholicism before marrying to her husband. They have 5 children holding different careers. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.